place an exercise band around your legs just above the knee. Start on one side of the room or a hallway and walk or side shuffle down the room or hall. You want to sit yourself back into a squat, and the higher the band is, the easier it is. So if you do want a challenge, you can bring it down to your ankles. You should feel this in the side glute, the glute medius, and your glute max. Hold your squat the entire exercise and just step out with one foot. Don't walk like a penguin or let your body rock side to side. Also, be sure not to tuck your bottom in or arch your back. And do make sure that your feet are straight or slightly turned outwards during this exercise so that you can keep your glutes engaged and your core strong.